Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the process is smooth. Make sure your phone supports mobile hotspot and the correct Wi-Fi band. Chromecast often prefers 4 GHz or 5 GHz depending on model, so check that now. Once done, enable hotspot, name it clearly, and set a secure password you'll remember. You should also open the Google Home app and plug in the Chromecast. This avoids connection loops. Now you're ready to move to device pairing and Wi-Fi linking. You'll now pair the Chromecast to the hotspot step by step. With the Chromecast powered and showing the setup code on the TV, open Google Home and follow Add, set up device, new device to discover it. When the app connects, accept any prompts and choose the hotspot SSID you created. Enter the password exactly as set. Make sure your phone's hotspot remains active and that Bluetooth is on if the app uses it for discovery. Once connected, the Chromecast will update and finalize network setting. Finish by verifying the Chromecast appears online in Google Home and try casting a short video to confirm streaming works. If you see connection drops, stop casting, toggle your phone's hotspot off and on, and in the Home app forget the device network, then reconnect. This clears handshake issues. Also make sure mobile data is enabled and monitor usage because video will use significant GB. If problems persist, reboot both devices and retry. Most issues resolve after a fresh hotspot cycle and repairing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.